Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Smart Choice, where we help you make the best decisions for your home and wallet. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the Beelicious Pro 10-in-1 Powerful Vacuum Sealer. This versatile kitchen marvel is currently on sale for just $119.99, down from its original price of $239.99. That's a massive 50% off, folks. Now, let's talk features. The Beelicious Pro stands out in its price range with some seriously impressive capabilities. Dual sealing modes. Whether you're dealing with dry or moist foods, this sealer's got you covered. Built-in roll storage and cutter. No more fumbling with separate cutters or wasting bag material. Powerful suction. It removes air quickly and efficiently, extending your food's shelf life by up to 5 times. User-friendly interface. With simple touch controls, it's a breeze to operate. Compact design. It won't hog your counter space, but still packs a punch. Compared to other sealers in this price range, the Beelicious Pro offers superior suction power and more versatile sealing options. Plus, that built-in roll storage is a game changer for convenience. But don't just take our word for it. Show customer reviews or ratings. Remember, at just $109.99, you're getting a premium product at a mid-range price. This deal won't last forever, so if you've been considering a vacuum sealer, now's the time to act. Click the link in the description to get your Beelicious Pro vacuum sealer today. Your future self and your wallet will thank you. And hey, prices on Amazon can change quickly. To make sure you're getting the most up-to-date deal, click the link in our description right now. It'll take you straight to the product page where you can see the current price. Who knows?